Emos is my carefree zone. I really wanted to let go some parts that I hold, because I hold so many parts of my life. Been exposed, like been out there for such a long time, so it just feels like everything is very, very well curated in my life. So I'm a fun person, you know. I do want to share those moments with you guys, and all the people around me, they all know that I'm just fun to be around with, and I just have a fun life. But I don't think I ever shared that part with any of the fans or the world itself. So emo is just really just me being me, not thinking of or not caring that much about the outcome or whatever. It's just like archiving. Yeah, private channel without filter. Finsta is emos.